So I have already created my image. So now go to filters and then select gimmick. And now go to patterns, left click here on the little arrow to open the patterns. And now scroll down until you find the raise, this one here. So here it is. And now as you can see, we have many settings here. So the center X and center Y will move the center. So for example, if I move to here like this. So now if you want to reset the settings, just click on this icon here. So the frequency here will control the number of stripes you will have. So for example, it's 10. So I have 10 yellow stripes and then 10 red stripes. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is same thing for yellow. So for example, if I increase it to 12, so here it is. 14, let's say I will decrease it to 4 per center. So here we have 4 colors. So I will bring it back to 10. It looks much better. The angle is just going to control, for example, the angle here. It doesn't change that much. So I'm going to bring it back to 0 per center. And the proportion here is going to control the size of the stripes here. So for example, if I increase, so here it is, it increased the size. And if I decrease them, so here it is. So now I'm going to reset the settings. And here you can choose the colors. Color 1 is red, color 2 is yellow. So left click on the color. So you can choose from here, you can pick from the screen. Or just, for example, if I select this one here, so here it's orange. And you can here select, for example, the luminosity of that orange color. You can also, for example, just type the HTML notation. So for example, if I want a darker orange, so let's, for example, say this one here, press OK. So here it is, I'm going to change it. So let's bring it back to this one here. So here it is, and I press OK. And let's say for the yellow, so here, or you can, if you left click, you can still, for example, this is the white color and this is the black. So for example, I will change it to white, press OK. And now once you're done, you like the, make sure to check the preview here. It's in French, aperçu. So now just press OK. So here's the result.